Alright guys, now we're in the editor, and the editor I'm using is called HitFilm Express. I'll put a link where you can download this absolutely free. It's free for both Windows and Mac, so you can download this completely free and start making videos. So once we have it downloaded, we're just going to want to click New on the top left to make a new project, and we can just use all these default settings and just click Start Editing. And there we go, now it'll open up the editor. So now you can just drag in the video to the bottom left right here, which is all the media, and this is going to be your actual timeline over here to the right. So to get this over there, all you have to do is drag it and then put it right at the beginning right there. And then it'll ask to match the editor sequence settings to match the clip. We can just click yes, so we don't have any problems. And there we go. Now we're going to want to skip ahead to 709. And then right there, we're just going to want to split it. And to do this, we just click right click and then click splice. And then it'll split this into two separate clips. And then you can click this clip and then hit delete on your computer. And then drag this back to the beginning again right there. And then we can just watch this and find out how long she talks about that guy FouseyTube, and then split it again when she stops talking about him. And then we'll want to split it again, so again we just click right click splice and then click this, delete that. So now we are ready to export our video. There's the video where she talks about that guy. And I just want to add in real quick before we export the video that you can do this for like making compilation videos. You can do this for making top 5 videos. This editor is completely free to use for making any types of videos like that. I highly recommend this editor. Again, I'll leave a link to it. So now to export your video, you're just going to click this export button on the right hand side right here. Just click export and then click content and then click go to export. And then all you have to do is click that right there, and then you can name it whatever you want. And then as you can see, there's a bunch of presets. I recommend doing YouTube 1080p HD. And then you can start exporting, and there's this little button on the bottom where you can export. You just click that, and then as you can see, it'll show the progress of the export, and there'll even be a little preview window right here where it'll show you how far it's exported. And then once that's done, your video is going to be exported and on your computer and ready to be uploaded. Alright guys, so that is how to edit and export a video.